After going viral with the dance moves of Rica Rica, K-pop girl group Nature once again drew attention for the choreography of their latest comeback song Limbo. Read on to know what netizens are saying about it. This past January, Nature became the talk of the town for the unique choreography for their song Rica Rica. Its various dance moves including quick leg movements earned mixed reactions from netizens, with some thinking it was a gimmick while others finding it fun. On November 6, Nature came back with a new K-pop song, titled Limbo, and their choreography once again became a hot topic. The reason is that it consists of a series of unique dance moves, including the part where the members execute a movement that thoroughly matches the chorus of the song, making them appear like they're playing a game of limbo. It was followed by a leg-snapping move and a dance move that uses their hair. That's not all, as they also have a head-bobbing and chest-bobbing movement that made the choreography more unique. The climax in Nature's Limbo choreography is said to be the ending pose. Two members held hands and one member in the middle bent backwards to face the audience. Like other songs, Limbo also has a TikTok challenge, where fans can try performing several moves at the start of the chorus. On the online community The Coup, one netizen created a post to share some tweets showing the choreography for Limbo, and wrote in the title, "Choreography for Nature's new song, more shocking than Rica Rica." Some netizens, however, commented that the dance moves are less shocking than their previous song Rica Rica. This is not that shocking, but I have to admit that it looks like one of the TikTok challenges. This is better than Rica Rica. What? This looks totally fine, though. Or is it because their previous choreography was way too shocking? The choreography doesn't look good, but it's still fine. Their previous choreography was even more shocking. Whereas other netizens find it okay and suitable for an exercise. Not my cup of tea, but I don't think it's that bad. Whoa, they must be done a lot of lower body exercise. This choreography would be a great exercise. I think both their songs and choreography are actually fine, though. The song is actually addicting. The dance moves are excellent for a good workout. What can you say about Nature's Limbo choreography? In other news, K-pop girl group Nature's Limbo and their new B-side songs made it to domestic music charts. On November 6, Limbo occupied number 55 on Bugs, while I Am Done entered at number 58, Rainbow at No. 94, Rica Rica at number 95, and You Right at number 96. Limbo also ranked number 30 on Melon's latest chart. Meanwhile, Nature's newest mini-album Nature World, Code W debuted at number 80 on the worldwide iTunes album chart and No. 115 on the European iTunes album chart. For more K-pop news, keep your tabs open here at K-Pop Stars.